Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I am going to be doing January 8th through January 14th in my So Much Crafting B6 inserts. This is quarter one, and we're going to use this little free kit from Small Business Saturday called Planner Life from Little Paper Prints. I guess that's page 2. But it reminded me of Hermione because there's like this girl and she's reading and there's like planners and stuff. But it's also in Ravenclaw colors in the blue and like the bronzy coppery colors, which I thought was really fun. So this is all washi. These are 4 full boxes, and then you have bottom washi, and then page 1 has flags, a weekend banner, some to-dos and todays, and next week some little things, some half boxes, quarter boxes, checklists, and a big flag. I'm not very good at planning in these inserts. So you will have to forgive me, and hopefully this week will go a little better than last week. So we will try, you guys. We will try. I think I'm going to start by putting my bottom washi down, and it does look like this one is cut. These are obviously the same size either way, but just to, I don't know, start somewhere. So it looks like I can cover a whole circle with this. So I'm going to put it at the very, very, very bottom. Of course, this is not going to go all the way, is it? Okay. Okay, we'll start here, but at the very bottom. Right? Yes. And cover up that bottom circle, and then this one we will have to trim. I guess I could just trim it to the same length. So I just trimmed that one with my little razor, and then it should fit the exact same way. So I'm going to start and leave the space in the middle and then go towards the edge, I guess. Oh my gosh, that worked really well. Right there. Right on the line, or as close as possible that I'm gonna get. Okay, so like I said, we have 4 full boxes, and I think I'll use, oh gosh, I struggled with this on the other sidebar, but I feel like you could like stack them up, and I don't know. Do I need the sidebar for anything else? I already have habits and a weekly. I don't think I do. So let's maybe start by putting the girl down here. Hope that washi is straight. And then maybe I'll use this little chunk of washi. Going a little crooked, not gonna lie, but we made it. I don't know how crazy that is, but we did it. You can see the edges of some of the lines in here because I'm crooked. Let's see. I don't know that I need anything else on that paper right now. I know I'm gonna want a checklist on Sunday because that's a busy day for me. And then probably Monday, maybe Monday Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. That'd probably be good. And I think I'll stick them at the bottom, maybe. Ah! Oops. What did I say? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. I think that one's a little crooked. Whoopsies. Whoa, that's definitely crooked. Oh my God. You rip up paper instantly when you use these inserts. I don't know if undo works better, but just pulling on stickers that were immediately put down does not work whatsoever. But I like missed, if you can see there, but you can see I'm ripping up paper, so we're gonna have to leave it. Okay, I'm gonna put the weekend banner in because I don't want to forget about it, especially because I've already got stuff there. So hello weekend, and then a to-do list for Sunday. I like that. Monday is my first day back at work, so I'm thinking I might put this big flag. I think that'll fit. Yep. So first day back, and then my to-dos. Tuesday, let's see. Maybe I'll put this other full box on Thursday because it looks like we have some room. I have no idea what's going on this week besides work. It's just not really a very heavy week. It is my anniversary with my boyfriend on the 13th though, so I think I want to use this box. I think this is the one I want. And we're just kind of eyeballing that. Let's see. We have some like camera things, but that would have been, oh, I could put videos in here and then I could check off when I have videos going up. That'd be kind of cool. Let's see here. I think I'll put a quarter box above Wednesday and Friday because I don't know what's going on. So we'll just kind of fill some of that space. Make sure we have room to write something if it comes up. And then I could put a half box and maybe some flags or something on Tuesday. Maybe we'll put a today header. I haven't really been using headers, but that's okay. So a little bit of today and a half box. And then maybe I can do a today like underneath here. That'd be cute, and then I can put something there. I could put a half box or a quarter box there. Pretty. There. Again, I still have somewhere to write something. I have room here. So maybe we'll put a today here. And I could put another half box, but maybe I'll put the 2 hearts. Would that be cute? Or I know I'll be filming this day, and that means I'll be editing this day and uploading. So maybe I'll do come on. I'll do edit. No. Film. Okay, we'll do film here. And then, yeah, I guess we'll do camera for edit. And then we'll do the TV for upload. There we go. Let's see. I don't really know what else. I mean, I could put some of these little hearts and stuff on Tuesday, but I don't really know what else is going on. I think I'll put the This Week header above here. This font is really cute, but I like that I have a This Week header and can use it. Let's see. So that will be probably dinners, and then I can track whether I drank enough water on here. So I'll have vitamins, skincare, water, reading, probably my video schedule, and then maybe Instagram posts, and I could do tutoring. Like, I probably won't have tutoring, but whatever else, I don't know. I'm wondering if I should use this washi and make that little scene with the backpack on Tuesday. It's just a risk because if I'm crooked at all, there's no hope of fixing it. And these washi pieces get really skinny. But I think it would be cute because I don't really have anything else to put there. There, I did it. It's kind of like having another half box or full box, I guess. And then maybe I'll put in the heart. I don't know if I should do the blue one or the peach one. I think I'll do the blue one. It's kind of like having two blue days in a row, if that works. Adorable. I really like this, you guys. This spread is a little crazy. I would have maybe done solid washi in between here had I thought about it, but I didn't, so there you go. Yeah, I still have some stickers left. I have flags, some headers and littles, and then 2 half boxes and a quarter box, and then I have solid washi and pattern washi. So that was a lot for this little 2-page spread. I did good. I'm excited. Yeah, I can use this super functionally, and it's in addition to my other planner, so I think it will be fine to have it. But I love that it's like got the girl reading and it's in the blue and bronze colors. So tell me what you guys think. Let me know if you think I should add some Harry Potter deco or if I should just stick with what it is right now. I would love your feedback. If you want to see this filled out, definitely follow me on Instagram. The link is down below, and have a great week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.